Hello everyone, today in this video we will learn hydrogen bonding. So let's start our discussion. Hydrogen bonding is said to be formed when slightly acidic hydrogen attached to a strongly electronegative atom like fluorine, nitrogen, oxygen is held with weak electrostatic force by the non-bonded pair of electrons of the another atoms. Here the coordination number of hydrogen is 2. It acts as a bridge between two atoms, one of which is covalently bonded and other attached through electrostatic force, also called hydrogen bonding. This concept of hydrogen bonding was introduced by two scientists, one is Latimer and another is Rodebush, in 1920. Now we will know some conditions for hydrogen bonding. Okay? Number 1, the molecule must contain a highly electronegative atom linked to the hydrogen atom. The higher electronegativity, more is the polarization of the molecule. And the second point is the size of the electronegative atom should be small. The smaller size, the greater is the electrostatic attraction. Okay? Remember that of all the electronegative donor atoms, only fluorine, nitrogen, oxygen atoms enter into stable hydrogen bond formation. Okay? Here the weak electrostatic interaction leading to hydrogen bond formation. Look at this is X and this is H and this is Y. Here this dotted line indicates that a hydrogen bond is formed between this H and this Y. Okay? Let's talk about types of hydrogen bonding. Basically there are two types of hydrogen bonding. One is intramolecular hydrogen bonding and another is intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Let's start one by one. Intermolecular hydrogen bonding. This type of hydrogen bonding occurs when polar hydrogen and electronegative atom are present in the same molecule. Look at this two structure. Here this is orthohydroxybenzaldehyde. Here this is electronegative atom and this is hydrogen. Both are present in this orthohydroxybenzaldehyde, and this dotted line is indicate that a hydrogen bond is formed between this electronegative oxygen and this slightly acidic hydrogen. Okay? Therefore, this bond is hydrogen bond. In case of orthonitrophenol, here this is the electronegative element and this is the acidic hydrogen. Therefore, bond between this is a hydrogen bond. Okay? Let's talk about some necessary conditions. The ring formed as a result of hydrogen bonding should be planar. A 5 or 6 member ring should be formed. And number C, interacting atoms should be placed in such a way that there is a minimum strain during the ring closure. Okay? Let's talk about intermolecular hydrogen bonding. This type of hydrogen bonding takes place between hydrogen atom and electronegative element present in the different molecules of same substance, as in between H2O and H2O, or different substances as in between H2O and NH3. Let's talk some different examples. In water molecules, here this is the water molecule and this is the water molecule. These two water molecule is bonded through hydrogen bonding. Therefore, this dotted line, this dotted line, this dotted line, all are hydrogen bond. Okay? Due to polar nature of H2O, there is association of water molecules giving a liquid state of abnormally high boiling point. Look at this structure. This is H2O, this is H2O, this is H2O, this is H2O, and this is H2O. Therefore, one H2O molecule is joined to 4 H2O molecules with 2 with hydrogen atom, that is this one and this one is attached with hydrogen atom, and this one is attached with oxygen atom. And water has maximum density at 4 degrees centigrade. Actually, when ice is formed from liquid water, some air gap is formed in tetrahedral packing of water molecules. Due to this, volume of ice is greater than liquid water, and thus ice is lighter than water. In case of fluoroboric acid, that is HF, this is hydrogen and this is fluorine. This is Dl positive, this is Dl negative, and this is the another hydrofluoric acid. This is H, this is fluorine. Therefore, this dotted line, and this dotted line are hydrogen bond. In case of carboxylic acid, this is the carboxylic acid and this is the another carboxylic acid. Here in this carboxylic acid, this oxygen is electronegative element and this hydrogen is slightly acidic. On the other hand, in this carboxylic acid, this oxygen is electronegative element and this hydrogen is slightly acidic hydrogen. That's why this dotted and this dotted line are indicate that those are hydrogen bond. In case of alcohol, look at this structure. This is the alcohol, this is the water, this is the alcohol. Alcohol is said to be highly soluble in water due to crossed intermolecular hydrogen bonding between water and alcohol molecule. This is the hydrogen of alcohol molecule and this is the oxygen of H2O molecule. This is the electronegative element and this is the slightly acidic hydrogen, and this dotted line is hydrogen bond. If you watch this video, then it's a homework for you, that is, draw the possible structure of pyridine 2-carboxyaldoxime and tell which one shows hydrogen bonding. Okay.